Do you see those waves? They come and go, just like people. But some waves, they return again and again. Not because they have to, but because that is where they belong. That is how I see love. Not loud, not dramatic, just real. A true partner isn't someone who completes you. It is someone who matches your pace. And when the time is right, we will meet like calm water meeting the shore. And if our souls are meant to meet again, even the tide will carry us back to each other.